Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Mako model 427 and the key does not work it works smooth once it's onto the pins, but when you first put it in it doesn't work. You kind of have to pull it in and out a little bit until you find, now I can't even do it. There it goes. You have to find that sweet spot for it. So model 427. First time picking this lot comes to me from BB Telpix 66 on Reddit. On Instagram it's BB Telpix and BB Tel on YouTube. So a couple clicks out of 6. I slipped off of 5 and I may have touched 4. Some clicks there. I think that was 3. There's 2. Got a little bit of core movement. Carefully get onto 1. And there's 1. And then I click on 2. Couple clicks on 2. Nothing on 3. Okay, start at the back. There's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Just need one more click on 2. All right, let's see. This is a hex wrench. I have a couple sitting here. Oh, got lucky the first time. From when I did lock the other day. All right. Ooh, it has a anti-bypass wafer. Let me get this here so I have a place to put some stuff. Keep these parts right there. And yeah, it looks very much American core. There's my gut wrench. And it picks very similar to an American as well. I guess I can lock this up. I don't need to worry about that. I got a key. As long as I can get the key to work. All right. Now if I can get the gut wrench to work. Ah, there it goes. That's usually my biggest challenge, getting the gut wrench to work. All right. Turn the tailpiece that way. Oh, there's my follower. See if the American follower fits it, or if I'm going to go get my... It does. Thought I might have to go get my master lock one. So let's see what they do for pins. If they're just plain pins or what. Nope, serrated. That looks like it's too short to be serrated. Same thing there, too short to be serrated. Serrated. And I dropped both at once. I'll figure that out when I put it back together. So they have the American style serrated key pins. Very, very American-like. I'm going to set this core up here in the corner. And let me see what we can do here with spool. Serrated. serrated. A spool. Another spool. Oh no, sorry, serrated. Can't speak. And a standard pin. Number 6 is a standard. And I'm just going to leave the springs in there. Set that there. Because I'm sure they sit low in the Bible. Very low. Kind of like an American lock. They're sitting really low in there. So I'm just going to leave them there. Alright. And yeah, they're just very American-like pins. So 1 and 4 are spools. The rest are serrated. Look very similar to American pins, more like, I guess, spools of the master lock because they're not serrated spools. But fun little pick. The only difference is this one has more weight to it with the steel body rather than an aluminum body. But yeah, fun little guy here. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.